and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today in the kitchen I'm going to make a very easy, cheesy appetizer. But before I do that, I have to remind you that if you're new to Lavonne's Kitchen, I request that you hit that subscribe button, and once you do, you are allowed to send your request for what you would like to see cooked in the kitchen. So, today I'm going to make a smoked Gouda crescent wrap. What I'm going to do, I have some Pillsbury crescent rolls, and this is the honey butter flavored one. They come in flavors now. So this is the honey butter flavored one, and I have some smoked Gouda. All I'm going to do is slice up my cheese and actually just wrap it in some crescent rolls. So, I'll show you. I'll slice it thin. This is the easiest, and it's so good. If you like smoked Gouda, you are going to love this recipe. So, you see, I'm just slicing them into little sticks. Don't want too much cheese in there, but it's going to melt perfectly. And so you're going to, you know how these cans pop and scare you to death? I have to be careful. Not bad at all. So I have my cookie sheet that I have. I always line my cookie sheets with aluminum foil just so that they last longer. Things don't stick as bad. It's a lot easier to clean up. So I've lined those. What I'm going to do, see, they're already perforated for you. So I'm just going to take it, stick it in there, and just roll it up. How easy is that? And you just put it on the cookie sheet. Stick it in the oven at 375 degrees for 12 minutes, and you're going to have one of the easiest, cheesiest appetizers in the world. So I'm going to continue rolling these, and then I'm going to put them in the oven, and we will come back with a beautiful, easy, cheesy appetizer. All right, so our 12 minutes are up. I'm going to get our croissants out of the oven. Oh, they're nice and golden brown, nice and plump and full of cheese. So I am going to put one on a plate. I'm going to cut into this. I can't bite it right now. Hot cheese is not a good thing to put in your mouth, not when it's that hot. But I'm just going to cut it up just a little bit to help it cool off so we can taste it. Oh, if you could smell it, it's smoked Gouda in there. Oh my goodness. Can you see the cheese in there? That's good. It's hot, but it's good. Look. It's an easy, cheesy recipe that when you just want a snack, a little light appetizer, and something to do. So, thanks for joining me in the kitchen again, and hit that subscribe button to Lavonne's Kitchen, and I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.